Hi there. If you're injured at work, your employer might suggest to you that you don't need to file a workers' compensation claim. They might tell you that they'll pay your medical bills and even pay you some time off if you can't work for a while, but it's a bad idea. You should always file a workers' compensation claim if you've been injured at work. If your injury lasts longer than you think it's going to, or than your employer thinks it's going to, they're probably going to change their mind about whether they want to keep paying you. If your injury is a lot worse than you anticipated, then you might also find that they're not willing to continue to pay what could be a large amount of medical bills. There's also additional benefits to you. If for some reason you can't return to your job of injury, then workers' compensation will provide you vocational retraining benefits and extended time loss and potentially a disability settlement. If you've really had a serious injury and you're an older worker, you might receive a pension. Your employer is not going to do any of that for you. You know, you may not even be aware of it, but every month there's a deduction out of your wages to pay for workers' compensation insurance. It's your insurance. You have an absolute right to use it, just like any other health insurance that you might have. So don't make a mistake. If you get injured, just go to your doctor, tell them the injury was at work, the claim will be filed automatically, and then you'll know that you've done the right thing.